video I will show setting up Android terminal emulator in genymotion. I would have ignored this video. I felt some newbies would face some problem here also, so I made a video on it. If you know how to install Android emulator on genymotion Android emulator, then you can skip this video. I'll search for Android terminal emulator APK in browser of emulator. I'll go to this apkmirror.com link and download the APK and install it. It is installed and done. So this is terminal here. So I can type any kind of command here. To get root permission or super user permission, I have to just type su. It will ask for permission. I will click on allow. So now we are using Android emulator terminal as super user or root user. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Up ADB for genymotion. First open up genymotion and load any Android virtual device. Open up terminal emulator. In terminal emulator, if I type ADB devices, it will not notify me any devices. Actually, it should. For that, we have to do some changes or we have to do a little bit setup work. For that, I'll click on setting in genymotion in that ADB. So this is Android SDK path which we have to set. Can see here. To get the SDK path, do explore and get where you have downloaded SDK. If you have Android Studio installed like me, then open up SDK in Android Studio. In SDK path, you can see this is the path. Just write up the path which is mentioned here so that SDK work. Like for me, I'm going to write the SDK path of SDK manager in settings of genymotion, that is users, a methoder, library, Android SDK. After writing complete path of SDK, it will show that Android SDK tools found successfully. Now it's done. I can close it. Now I can use ADB tool inside terminal emulator of virtual device. So this is how SDK folder should look. So now let me load up the device. Let me close this SDK manager and Android Studio. So here is my genymotion virtual device. I'll type ADB devices. Now it shows me that one device is up and running. So in this way we have set it up ADB in genymotion. Now we can use ADB in Android emulator terminal. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video.